The $1.86 billion procurement of NASAMS-II from the US was strongly opposed by the DRDO and Indian Air Force in 2020, and both had backed the development of an indigenously developed system that will provide air defense coverage to high-value assets. The DRDO had recently carried out the test of the VL-SRSAM from a static vertical launcher that validated the vertical launch capability of the missile that is being developed for Indian Navy warships. But now the Air Force and DRDO have started discussion to use three dual-use air-to-air missiles like the 160 km range Astra-II, 50 km range VL-SRSAM and 50 km range Astra-IR variant in the indigenous alternative of the NASAMS-II, and the use of these three dual-use missiles will significantly reduce logistics cost. After the configuration is confirmed by the Air Force and the program is cleared by the Defense Ministry, the DRDO will start work on further development of canister launchers, an active 3D radar, a passive electro-optical and infrared sensor, and a command post for a highly mobile indigenous canister-launched ground-based air defense system, which is expected to be ready by 2023. The Vice President of Boeing Global Services has said that Boeing is in discussions with Indian Air Force to lease two KC-46 refuelers to the Indian Air Force, and said that its operational cost will be less as compared to other competitors like Airbus A330. The KC-46 is a combat refueler and strategic military transport aircraft that is designed to operate in nuclear and biological environments. A senior officer has confirmed that discussions are going on with both Airbus and Boeing, and apart from leasing two refuelers, the Air Force plans to acquire 6 more refuelers in a direct purchase. In a move to strengthen its combat capability on the Eastern Front, the Indian Air Force will start inducting the 2nd Squadron of the Rafale fighters in mid-April that will be based at the Hasamara Air Base in West Bengal, and officials have confirmed that the training of another batch of Rafale fighter pilots in France will also be over around the same time. The commanding officer of the 1st Rafale Squadron has also been transferred to the headquarters of the Eastern Air Command, and his expertise with the Rafale fighter will be utilized for a similar induction in the Eastern Air Command. During the upcoming visit of the U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin to India, both the countries will discuss to resolve the issue of CAATSA sanctions on the purchase of S-400 air defense systems from Russia, which is all set to start delivery in the next 7 months. They will also discuss the 1,240 crore rupees contract for 10 naval ship-borne unmanned aerial systems. The U.S. Navy is developing the tactically exploited reconnaissance node that will allow forward-deployed destroyers and frigates to launch and recover specially designed unmanned aerial systems that is equipped with a twin-nose-mounted contra-rotating propeller propulsion system that can also carry 600 pounds of ordnance. The Indian ambassador to Philippines has said that India's $100 million defense line of credit to Philippines is an indicative amount, and India could look at larger amount in case Philippines is looking to procure more defense platforms along with BrahMos systems. He also said that India is fully committed to move ahead on any area that interests Philippines, as India would like to see a strong and resilient Philippines in the Indo-Pacific. ISRO's commercial arm New Space India Limited has bagged 4 more dedicated launch service contracts, which will be executed in the next 2 years. The chairman of New Space India Limited has said that the company will shortly enter into satellite building deals, and currently an Indian industry partner is being identified that will build and deliver the PSLV launch vehicle from 2023.